look at this. You can see the union. Ini kelihatan masih.
Apa itu?
The graft union.
Oh. Ini Durio Lowianus
Ini Lowianus.
dari
Ini dari Aceh.
Aceh.
Ini tapi sudah disambung, nah ini lihat.
Oh.
You can see the graft union here. Can still detect. So it's really compatible, highly compatible with durian.
Oh wow, so you grafted Lowianus?
Yes, look. No, I didn't do the grafting. My friend Ngatari did that.
So this is...
This is the durian rootstock, and this is Lowianus.
Wow.
Oh.
Look at that. You see, you can still see this.
Yes. It's really low though. What kind of grafting?
Yeah.
What kind of grafting did he use?
It's a wedge graft.
Mr. Wedge.
Yeah, wedge graft. But of course, in the course of time, then this is about this high, and then it's
So the Oxalianus is here as well.
no. Yes, this is the only one here.
This is Lowianus.
Yeah, Lowianus.
What about the Oxalianus?
There, 4 of them.
4 of them
Yeah.
over here.
Oh yeah, over there. And then the graft parents there. Ini daun sampai hancur. So this is the graft parent from Tarakan, actually from Sekatak. And as I told you, even though it is from the red pulp form, and then eventually the seedling becomes orangey. I mean the fruit. The pulp. This is from seed. This one.
It says graviolens, but the
Red ones?
is it red or is it
This is orange.
orange?
Ini pernah jadi buah nggak selama kamu di sini? Hah? Dulu saya jadi buah karena dikawinkan. I make it fruit because at the time I help cross pollinate. Ya. Durian kan kemudian itu bakar banyak tempat untuk evaluasi. Dia tidak seperti salak. Salak kita dan saya katakan sekitar setengah hektar bisa kita jejalkan jadi populasinya, bisa kita pertinggi. Jadi cuma tinggal di sini kemudian itu kan pengaturan naungan dan jarak tanam. Tapi kalau durian kan tidak mungkin karena kemudian itu kan sudah ada jarak tanam yang minimum paling tidak. Nah sudah itu kan tajuknya sendiri juga ya karena tajuknya melebar kan kemana-mana. Nah, terus lagi kemudian itu juga di sini kan itu berupa pohon yang nantinya bisa tumbuh besar. Nah, jadi sulit untuk kemudian itu evaluasinya karena kita di sini kan perlu mengevaluasi sebanyak mungkin di sini anakan yang ditumbuhkan nantinya di generasi kedua. Dan itu kan dengan ukuran tanaman yang begitu besar kan sulit kita untuk diharapkan di sini katakan evaluasi yang bagus. Itu harus kemudian itu orang-orang yang betul-betul punya tanah luas yang kemudian itu diperuntukkan untuk program lebih sebelumnya. Jadi karena itu kita harus coba memanfaatkan silangan yang sudah terjadi di alam saja. Kita seleksi, kita cari yang bagus. Dengan demikian kita kemudian bisa katakan memotong jadi periode waktu yang dibutuhkan untuk menghasilkan durian yang memang bagus dari hasil berarti di sini persilangan. Nah, jadi tidak penting apa itu persilangan alam atau persilangan buatan, yang penting kita bisa manfaatkan hasilnya. Nah, dengan sehingga karena persilangan alam itu sudah terjadi secara alami, banyak kemudian itu juga hasilnya mungkin juga tidak begitu terarah karena kemudian itu kan yang bisa hidup mungkin yang tahan, yang kuat. Tapi belum tentu yang paling bagus dari segi kualitas buah. Tapi kalau kita tanam dari kemudian itu di sini hasil kemudian itu di persilangan yang terkontrol, kita kan bisa bukan dapat tanaman yang memang secara fisik atau secara di sini ketahanan terhadap penyakit dan kemudian itu serangan hama tinggi, tapi juga kita bisa dapatkan nanti varian yang betul-betul enak. Dan yang tadi yang di alam tuh sangat bagus sekali kalau kita bisa dapat yang buahnya enak dan dia juga resisten dan juga tahan terhadap serangan hama yang berat gitu. Nah dengan demikian kemudian itu kalau ada yang bagus di alam seperti itu, wah itu harus kemudian itu dijaga betul, jangan sampai kemudian itu ditebang orang atau jangan sampai punah. Sebab ini bisa dijadikan sebagai batu loncatan atau malah justru di sini bahan untuk perbanyakan untuk di sini dibikin kebun yang memang lebih luas lagi sehingga tanaman ini jadi bisa langsung dikomersialisasi. Nah, tapi kalau kemudian mulai program breeding yang kemudian di sini terawasi di kebun itu, jadi bukan dari hasil penjerbukan alam, itu kan jadi tadi belum tentu begitu cost efektif. Karena kalau kita tanam, kalau bagus hasilnya, kalau tidak semuanya akan sia-sia. Dan kalau kita manfaatkan apa yang di alam yang ada itu, kan kita sudah langsung bisa kemudian itu perbanyakan. Nah, jadi itu satu hal yang kemudian perlu kita perhatikan. Jadi hargailah plasma nutfah yang ada, yang sudah kemudian itu berkembang di alam. Kita jangan menganggap remeh. Jadi kita harus jeli dan bermata tajam supaya kita lihat di sini mana-mana yang kemudian itu merupakan intan, mana-mana yang cuma merupakan batu kali.
Oke.
So you can have your filming.
Ya.
Satu tuh udah ini Patri keluar belatung jadi dibuang.
Ya nggak apa-apa,
Ini kebuka nih
nggak apa-apa.
durinya.
Oh, this doesn't look like.
This is Oxalianus.
It's Oxalianus.
Lowianus, sorry.
Lowianus.
This is Lowianus. Oh, udah.
Tuh udah kayak gitu.
Already damage.
Alright, are we still good?
Iya.
Udah rusak malah.
Udah rusak.
This at least you have.
Tuh.
The pulp, the color could be darker, a bit more kind of, say, a bit darker than this. This is all kind of slightly brownish, or say more like this. And you can see, we call that pungil. Ini namanya pungil. Pungil itu buahnya, bijinya tidak, bijinya masih kelihatan. Pungil itu nongol bijinya. Tuh.
So can you tell us again where you collected this one?
From Aceh, from Ketambe, near the, say the bank of Alas River, Sungai Alas. Itu Ketambe. Ketambe is South Aceh.
And what caught your attention about this fruit?
Because anyway, it is a nice, I mean, kind of, it's a tree that I think I don't have in my garden, so I would like to grow it because yeah, I think it is interesting to have this.
I love Lowianus.
Nah, ini kerantongan ini jadi kemudian tuh tadi tanaman yang kemudian tuh asalnya tadi sudah dijadikan batang bawah di ini di kebun raya, tapi karena memang kurang kompatibel, jadi rootstocknya tumbuh lagi, dan rootstock inilah yang kemudian tuh kita coba selamatkan, ditanam di.
Ceritanya gimana dulu Pak? Mau dijadiin
Sudah
rootstock?
dijadikan rootstock, tapi kan gagal karena kan kurang kompatibel.
Rootstock buat jenis durian apa?
Gibetinus.
Gibetinus
Ya,
apa namanya?
karena kemudian kan ya daripada enggak dipakai ya dicobalah. Karena kan kebun raya sudah padat, penuh tanpa timur, tanam di mana lagi? Waktu itu kebun Cibinong belum kemudian itu di sini boleh katakan betul-betul dikelola. Gitu kan. Nah, jadi akhirnya kemudian itu kan daripada mubazir begitu saja coba digunakan sebagai rootstock. Ternyata kompatibilitasnya kurang bagus. Nah, sudah itu daripada kemudian itu kata saya di situ terus nanti mati kalau musim kemarau, ya sudah tanam aja di dermaga lah. To the east.
I think it's easier.
Yeah, anyway.
Yeah, that looks beautiful.
Pohon ini sudah ditanam dari tahun kemudian itu waktu itu sekitar 87, 88, 87, 88. Oh, dan malah kemudian itu ada beberapa lebih awal lagi, itu sekitar tahun waktu itu mulai 82 waktu kamu beli sudah langsung kita tanami. Jadi lama ini kan kemudian karena tidak dirawat, ya dibiarkan tumbuh semampunya. Berarti. Yang dirawat kan yang memang komersil. Ini kan durian liar, durian. Tapi ternyata memang beberapa di sini memiliki kualitas buah yang cukup bagus.
Berbuah tahun berapa kalau ini?
Berbuah ini sekitar kemudian itu sekitar 8 sampai 9 tahun kemudian. Jadi itu makan waktu lama, sekitar tahun 90-an sudah mulai ada yang berbuah. Gitu kan. Jadi dari situ kita lihat bahwa ternyata buahnya memiliki karakter yang cukup bagus.
Can I take a piece of it?
Yeah. Probably.
I would love that.
Good.
You're gonna eat some with us? You're missing out.
Yeah. This good?
Yeah.
This is a good one. Sometimes I don't like them very much because they have a really strong chemical taste.
Yeah.
But this one is nice
Well,
and
this is
sweet.
not right. That's why.
This one's really nice and sweet without that kind of aftertaste.
Still.
Yang.
So ini di kebun Pagrek beliau sudah menanam karantungan. Bisa karantungan sih?
Ya, kan.
Durian oxylianus. Durian daun kalau di Sumatera.
Di Sumatera dan di durian rutung wulung di Aceh.
Lutung
Rutung wulung.
di Aceh. Like candy, you know?
Have you had this before?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Look better, this better. This is not like candy. Sweet like candy.
Should be easy to like. Look how yellow this one is. Look at the video here.
Look at this one.
Very nice. Yeah, this one. Wow.
Drop it.
See?
I want to try that one.
You want this piece here?
Yeah. Put it in my mouth.
For me.
That's delicious.
Wow, this is the yellow one.
That is definitely
Definitely very good.
not a pure.
My God.
That is closer to more durian.
Yeah, this is more durian than other.
This tastes like, yeah.
I think we have to
Wow.
plant this for cultivation. Ini harusnya kita tanam di kebun. Karena rasanya enak banget loh. Wah, enak banget. we think that we are at Jawa, not in Kalimantan. Maybe this is the one ya. Paling mungkin satu-satunya pohon di Jawa kali Pak ya.
Ya.
Ini adalah satu-satunya pohon di Jawa yang dari tahun 86 udah tanam. Bro. Nah,
Why do you think more people don't plant these?
wait.
Maybe no planting material available.
Oh iya. Di sini bikin nggak? Belum.
See, I need to eat also.
Iya.
Anak-anak pada suka kan?
I like it.
That's the same tree.
Lihat enak banget. Oh my god. Like candy.
Do you know the first one we opened? Which tree that it came from? It was super naughty.
You mean
The first,
the first one?
yeah.
They're all different.
All different.
Nggak tahu yang mana.
Even though they're the same species, they're like different variety. They're just like seedling ones. So you can even like see, like the shape of them is a little bit different. But they're quite difficult to open. And the thorns are really sharp. I've already cut myself. You can see that.
Oh my god.
Somebody have a knife? Wait, I got it.
You have open this one, the big one.
Yeah, try to open the big one.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
How
I think
soft
that's the
that
one I
is.
like.
Want top or bottom?
Yang bukunya dibikin sama siapa, Pak Reza itu?
What do you think?
Malanjut apa
Thick. It's more like durian, this one. But it still have that Lovianus. I don't know what to say. Lovianus flavor.
Sweet, nutty, but
Yes.
Sweet, nutty. Yeah. It's nice.
We have different
It
taste.
also has some flavor that feels heaty,
yes.
like some alcohol or something. It's like makes your mouth a little warm.
This one has
Mahrawi? Mana Mahrawin?
Itu seperti masalah.
Oh, this one.
What
is
does that
better.
mean?
The clone of Oxylianus.
Ah,
Satunya lagi itu. Apa?
it tastes the warmness, like mint but reverse.
Yeah.
This one's unique. This one tastes more like almost vanilla dulces.
Yeah?
Yeah. This one has a strong chemically flavor. Like, I don't know how to describe it exactly. It's good, but it's really weird.
Was it that from that one?
Mm.
The smallest one.
Oh, beda pohon ya?
It has the really big spines. And you see this, like, compared to the other one? The spines are really big.
Hmm.
This is mahrawi, type of bentuk lain dari ya jenis lain dari karantungan.
Yeah.
But
Which
it
one is the
definitely
clone?
have a temperature sensation of eating it, like dulces.
Which one is the clone?
This
Yeah,
one.
all different.
This one? You said it was by grafting,
No,
not by
no,
seed?
all from fish.
All from seed.
I think better this one. I think I better this one. Like Durio.
I like this one. I like this strong flavor.
Waduh, waduh, saya mau Pak Greg.
I like how they all taste.
Enak mana Pak Greg? Durian atau karantungan?
Saya kira lain. Cannot compare.
Cannot compare, tuh lihat. Cannot compare, different.
So do you think that this one has commercial potential?
I think by selection you can have a better form.
Yeah. Nice. I like this one more. You like durian, taste?
Ini belum ada sambungan yang dari itu ya. Yang kata kamu itu yang mau untuk Pak
It's the
Mulyono,
best durian
jual
we've had
ke
in a
Pak
long
Mulyono
time.
itu dari
Yeah.
apa? Dari durian karena butuh.
I find them to be very stable, the wild ones.
Yeah.
Maybe they've been selected
think this is durian
generation by
taste.
generation.
Very durian.
It's good.
Good.
It's so good. It's like the best durian we've had in a while.
Tony Lam told me about the thick
yeah.
pulp.
Yeah.
This is the thing.
The little bit of
Here,
dulces.
yeah. No, it's not the dulces. It's just the nuttiness.
Mm.
It's so much like that nut butter, but it's creamy. So it's not in texture like nut butter, only in flavor. And then the Luvianus part, which I can't really explain.
A very specific flavor. It's very good.
Try to open the big one.
The big one. Okay. Who's got the knife? Try?
You can,
Try?
can open.
I think so. I can try.
First time.
Let's see.
It's a little stiff. It's new.
Have flowers. I mean, growing just near the open.
In there in Sarawak yet. It wasn't seasoned when we were there in November last year. We went down
This
to
is
Lundu.
durian that really gives you a good after.
I would like to
taste
go
in your
see
mouth.
if they have
Yeah.
seasoned.
Like it's almost like refreshing. It's like
Yes.
yes,
So you haven't been around.
this can
the-
stay.
Yeah.
One time I met him, but I don't know him well.
Must be.
I've met him once only, and then I knew.
1, 2, and 3. 3. 3. Semangat. Semangat.
Careful with this one, man.
Careful with the cream.
Ah.
Oh, you got 1, 2, 3. Oh my god.
Very soft. Look at this.
Yeah.
You won't fall out there.
No, it's gonna break.
Wow.
That's how stiff.
betul.
Oh yeah.
That's how stiff it is.
Okay.
It's okay. Wow.
This is such a treat. Like really special.
Ya. Enak banget kita.
Wow.
Candy, sweet of candy.
Really sweet.
See? Like we are eating candy, eh?
It is like eating candy. It's like a dessert that grows on a tree.
Yeah.
So it's part of your 5 a day, right? 5 durians a day. Eat all your fruits and vegetables.
5 desserts a day, but now you can eat fruit instead.
Why? Why you
Oh.
finish that?
Mm.
Oh wait. This is why orang hutan like this one. And we can do like
Wow. I think this may be my best Luvianus I've had.
oh.
Maybe I take it before it flies.
This is
Don't do
Sigurd.
that. Komi. Don't do that.
This is for
But
Sigurd.
Sigurd said he didn't want anymore.
What?
Yeah. This for you. Take this one.
This one.
Camera.
Would you like
My
to try this one?
cameraman. This is
I have.
ini karantungan.
Yeah, let me just.
There. That's good. Don't be spoiled. Wow, very nice.
So hard.
Hmm. Ya Allah. Enak banget. Aduh. Candy. You know candy?
Yeah.
What is candy?
I don't know how to say it in Bahasa.
Bahasa candy apa sih bahasa?
Itu bonbon.
Bonbon.
Kembang gula. Hmm. Damn.
All
What do you think? This is the best?
Of Oxalianas?
A lot
This
of
is
Oxalianis.
one of my best experiences with Oxalianas for sure. The flavor of it is like amazing. It's so sweet and kind of honey. It doesn't have too much like weird chemical aftertaste,
Yeah.
which is really common with the Oxalianas. Really pleasant. I think everyone should like it.
fine with cheers.
And yeah, it's amazing that it's here, and it's amazing that more people aren't growing it because it tastes so good.
And this is in
It's in Java.
Java, not
Yeah,
in
not in
Sumatra.
Kalimantan. No, no, we're in Java.
Hal yang memang perlu kita tentu di sini cermati lagi karena kemudian itu kan sementara ini masih ada kemungkinan untuk mengambil tanaman-tanaman yang ada sekarang di kebun-kebun di hutan-hutan yang nantinya dibuka untuk kebun coklat lah, karet kah, sawit kah, nah, itu kan atau ladang kah, karena kan memberikan penduduk makin lama makin lebar. Nah, ini juga jadi adalah kepentingan kita bersama supaya kita di sini menyelamatkan apa yang masih bisa diselamatkan. Dan itu diselamatkan bukan sekedar untuk diselamatkan, tapi diselamatkan dengan pemanfaatan. Karena kemudian itu ada usaha pemanfaatan, akhirnya tanaman itu bisa lestari. Tapi kalau kemudian itu kita tidak di sini menaikkan pada pemanfaatan, tanaman itu begitu kemudian itu lahannya diperlukan akan ditebang. Jadi nomor satu fokus di pemanfaatan. Apa guna konservasi kalau itu jauh dari kemudian itu kemungkinan untuk pemanfaatannya. Jadi kemungkinan pemanfaatan inilah yang membuat kemudian itu konservasi perlu dilakukan. Jadi jangan dibalik.